2024, Bamuzizayo Ali versus Uganda.
May it please your worship. Honorable Mr. Muhammad.
Enoch.
Karuba. Josh, the applicant is in court. My running colleague, Mr. Amarit Timothy, appears for the state.
Yes, may it please Your Honor, my name is Timothy, the Senior State Attorney. Your counsel Zubeda Namugeni and Counsel Sania Namugewa. From Almond Advocates.
Hakim.
Yes, my Lord. The trial judge being indisposed to bring another date.
The court is available for us this week, then the production warrant can be issued for the applicant to appear, because we are supposed to make some responses, then the court gives us the ruling. So unless Mr. Amarit has changed his mind, that we can adjourn to Monday, only with the rider that we can have production warrant issued anytime the judge is available for us, because we are informed that he's indisposed of health grounds.
Senior State Attorney, is that still your position? Or you have since changed your mind as you wanted to confirm to court?
But my Lord, the proposal is agreeable.
Actually, the trial judge has been assigned urgent leave by the principal judge to attend to some other matter. It's not that he's not available on health grounds. He's simply on an urgent assignment by the principal judge. So, as proposed by the parties' advocates, in the event that the judge is able to attend to the matter, we shall definitely issue the production warrant during the course of this week. Otherwise, this matter is adjourned to 2nd of December, year 2024, which is next Monday. Applicant further remanded. We should have the matter called on Monday at 10:30.